In last video I have talked about variable, and in this video today I am going to talk about array. Okay, so let me start by asking you a question. What if your mobile phone had no contact list? How you actually remember all the contact list number? You have to write it down on paper, right? And later on you have to memorize, right? So it's really difficult for someone. So how actually this problem has been solved? Here array has been implemented. So let's have a look how actually we solve this problem in practical way. Okay, so now we are going to learn array practically. So what is array? Array, it's a collection of data, I mean multiple data. Whenever you need to work with multiple data, then you have to use array. Okay, so in Python programming it's called list, and other programming language like C, C++, Java, JavaScript, it's called array. Okay, so array, it's a very basic and primary concept for every programming language, and you have to understand this concept clearly. So why array is important? Let's have a look some practical example, then you will be understand easily why array is important. Okay, so here I have opened some news portal, like it's a Dhaka Tribune news portal. Here so many places array has been implemented. So this menu, I mean similar structure of data. So here array has been implemented. In left side array also has been implemented, like here. This every individual block, here also array has been implemented. Okay, so in this section array also has been implemented, like it's every section is look like similar. Here news, latest news, every individual section is similar with each other. And here also popular section, this section also sports, business and shows. Here also, and photos and videos, here also array has been implemented. Okay, so I hope you understand why array is important. So now I am going to show another example, like YouTube. It's very popular to everyone. So here their menu, all, news, podcast, every menu similar with each other. So array also has been implemented here. And here this subscription section, actually this section array also has been implemented. Okay, and crucial one is every individual item, like here this item, it's looks like similar with everyone. So here also array has been implemented. So I hope I make you understand why array is crucial. So let's work with some practical example. Okay, so I just remove it here and I copy this menu. So it will be meaningful business only. And I just paste it here, business and news. Okay, so I declared a array variable which will be menus, and it's a shortcut form of declaring array. Okay, so first item would be paper, and second news, and third one is USINESS. Okay, so this array length is 3. But this item, if you want to get this item, then you have to write menus of 0. I mean the position is start from 0, 0, 1, 2. Okay, so if I print first one, then I have to write like this 0. Okay, so if I print it, then I will see where news. Actually I have to remove this. Okay, and another thing is everything is fine. I hope now it's work. Yes, here paper. Okay, so if I want to show next one, then I have to write like this. Okay, here I just change this index, I mean 1, so I can see these two. If I want to show last one, then I mean 2, then if I run it, then I can see 3 item. So if I increase another one like SPORTS sports, then I have to write another one like 3. So this 4. So if I write like 4 here, actually 4 position is not available in the array, so it will throw error after print this 4. So this 4, after print this 4, then error throw. So I have to add another one like others. So if I print it, then I will get everything. So it's actually annoying every individual item. If I need to show, so if I need to show every individual item, then I have to write this statement. So it's annoying actually, right? So when this array length will be 1000, so I have to write 1000 times this print statement, right? No. So there is a shortcut system. So now I going to introduce another concept, that is loop. Okay, so I will make video about loop later, but I just use this here actually print this array item at a glance. So for loop I use, you can use while loop also. So menu in menus. Okay, this menu holds all the item and this variable holds only current one. So if I print menu, then I can see every array item at a glance. Okay, so if I add next one like others, then I can see others. I don't need to write anyone. Okay, so if this array length 1000, 1 million, no problem. I don't need to write anything here, just I add dynamically, then it will print automatically. Okay, so I hope you understand how to show array item. So I want to show you that contact list example. Okay, so I just remove this array, contact list. Okay, like here I put some mobile phone number 0181 like this, and I want to show another, I want to add another actually 01913. Then okay, this array length is 2. Okay, so if I print contract, then I can see this 2 number. Okay, here 234. Okay, 0181, I can remove 1. Okay, so if I print it here, so here. Okay, so then okay, every phone number is now valid. Okay, so in our mobile phone we save every individual number against the name. Okay, so that's why now I introduce another thing, that is object. Okay, so I just remove it, and here I need to add object. Okay, so object will be name, and it will be any one name like Firoz, Firoz Alam, and his phone number is number 01812. Okay, so I just copy this one. It's a object, but it's total, it's an array, but every individual item it's a object. Okay, I will make video about object later. So here I have to change the name. Here it will be Raju, and his phone number is like 01913 and 909090. Okay, so now I have to write like this. So name, if I write name, then I will get only name. Okay, so I need both, right? So that's why I need to add another one with comma operator, actually numbers. So if I print, now I get Firoz Alam, it's his phone number, and Raju, his phone number is this. So like this way your phone number, your mobile phone stored your phone number, okay, in your mobile phone. So that's all that I wanted to say in this video today. I hope my explanation is clear to you. If you have any doubt yet, feel free to comment below. I will be happy to reply. And like and subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon for getting more programming related content. See you in the next time. Until then, goodbye.